AfroPenguin drum lesson. Well, before I start teaching you how exactly to play this entire drum kit, it is important for you to know what exactly is this kit, how was it all brought together, and what's the use of all these different parts. Well, before we had a drum kit or a drum set, these parts of the kit did exist but were played separately. But later in the 19th century is when the drummers or percussionists started experimenting to play all of them together, which led to making of the drum kit or the drum set. The ones that you see which have a shell of body, the ones with the wooden shell and the silver coating shell right in front of me, they are the drums of this kit. Over here, the one with the big body is called the bass drum, played with the right foot using the foot pedal like this. That's how it sounds. The one on top of it and the one beside it are the toms of this kit. This is called the small tom, and the one on the floor is called the floor tom. And they are used mostly as ornaments for decorating the rhythm or the beats that we play on the kit. And this is how they sound. The one right in front of me, the one with silver coating, is called the snare drum. And this itself has a lot of sound. If you play beginning, this is how it can sound. If I put it up, it sounds as well. I can also play on its body, on its shell itself. You must have noticed all these different drums have different sounds, which gives them different characteristics. Just like that, the ones that you see on top, which are flat, the ones with golden coating, they also have different sounds with different characteristics, and they're called the cymbals for the drum kit. The one that you see on my left and on the very top, it's called the crash. Well, the crash is mostly used at the beginning or at the end of a phrase. It's used mostly for dividing the music phrases in a song or in a music piece. And this is how a crash can sound. It literally sounds like a crash. The one on my right is called the right cymbal. Because it has a beautiful soft sound for itself, it's mostly used in soft music or in the blues and jazz genre of music. And we can play it such as this. Or also on its bell. The one that you see on my left, it's a pair of cymbals called the hi-hat. It has the hi-hat top and the hi-hat bottom. We mostly use it closed or we can use it open. This can be played in various ways using the right hand. But the bottom cymbal is used when you use it with your left foot using the foot pedal. We are literally tapping both of them together. Well, this you must notice is that it all has different sounds with different characteristics, and this is how we use it. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you in the next lesson, because that is where I'll be introducing you to rhythm. Rhythm is exactly what I have been playing. Rhythm is used for playing the beats on the drum kit. Thank you for watching and see you soon.